today I'm in Orchard Park with Dr. Elizabeth Betancourt, the owner of Infinity Wellness. Thanks so much for having me.
Thank you for coming in.
Well, first, why don't you start off by telling me and our viewers about Infinity Wellness and what you guys do?
Absolutely. So Infinity Wellness is a multidisciplinary center, like you said, down here in Orchard Park, where we really like to focus primarily on the individual. So the patient that walks in our door is our utmost focus from the second they walk in until the second that they walk out.
You talked about it, so you have multiple disciplinary providers. Can you talk about some of the benefits that you guys have here?
Absolutely. So our office is set up like a circle. So I think I'm going to go around in the circle in my head and explain what everything is. So if you were to start right off, you'd stop at our physical therapy gym. Again, the importance of what we offer here is one-on-one. So when you walk into our physical therapy gym, it is you and the physical therapist from the second you start to the second that you finish. If you continue to go around, we have 4 massage therapists. Each 4 massage therapists very different in what they offer. We have a recovery room. This is where we like to send our athletes at any level. We can have you go there if maybe it's just recovery from a long day of work. And then if you continue going around, we have our rehabilitative chiropractic office.
And you actually have worked with a lot of special people that I'm sure our Daytime Buffalo viewers probably know, right?
I would say so, yes.
Lots of Bills players come to you. What do you think it is about you and Infinity Wellness that makes them come directly to you?
Sure. Probably just the amount of time that we offer. We are so fortunate to be able to work with the Bills. And if you think of the facility, I mean, they have some of the top doctors working for them, but there are 53 men on that roster that are all kind of fighting for time. So they fight for time for us as well, but I tell them, once you're in, you're locked and loaded. That is your hour that you get in here. And I think that individualized treatment is just really important, as well as the certifications that we hold. It's something that they kind of seek out.
So let's talk about your recovery room, because you've got some cool machines in there. Tell me about them.
We absolutely do. Cool is a very good word. Let's start with that one. So whole body cryotherapy. I think a lot of people at this point have heard of it. A lot of people have tried it. A lot of people have not.
I've never tried it, actually.
I think we're going to change that today. Yeah, so whole body cryotherapy, it's a 3-minute treatment. You are standing in this cylindrical container, your head is sticking up top, and you are getting pumped with negative 136-degree vapor. So there is no moisture, but it's a lot of cold.
Oh, that's cold.
It's very cold, and you're not wearing anything.
Oh my goodness. Listen, I braved a Buffalo winter, the worst one we've had yet, so maybe I can handle this.
You know, I tell people all the time, this is Buffalo. We can handle this weather. What's 3 minutes in negative 136?
And wait, the best part is when you come out, you get some hot. You get some heat,
Exactly, right? Yes. Okay, so a lot of times we say, after the cryotherapy, let's go into the infrared sauna. So an infrared is very comfortable. It's not overwhelmingly hot. You don't get that moisture steam component, but it produces such a deep sweat because it's raising your body temperature. So yeah, cold, right to hot, not an issue at all.
Listen, I can handle the heat. I lived in Miami for a couple years.
You can definitely handle the heat, exactly.
And what about that machine with that big roller?
So the myofascial roller. So we're so lucky. This was actually gifted to us from one of our favorite Buffalo Bills player, Trent Murphy. But what it is, think of a foam roller. If you've seen, it kind of looks like a pool noodle, a little bit bigger. You roll on top of that. So this is a foam roller on steroids. This thing is electronic. It's a massive roller. As it spins around, you are applying your body to it. So you can foam roll head to toe on this electronic, increasing blood flow. Fantastic for that recovery that we were talking about.
And now you are a chiropractor. That's your specialty, but you told me you're not just gonna pop and crack. You do get some.
I do. I do love adjusting.
That's not kind of the main focus, right? Can you explain that?
No, absolutely. So when patients come in to see us, we want to instill in them quality of life. So a lot of times pain restricts people, discomfort, maybe lack of stretch and mobility. So my job is to sit with you and say, okay, as a chiropractor, what aren't you doing? What are you doing but can do better? What are you restricted from? And then once I learn from there, I use my certifications and I start to do muscle assessment, mobility assessment, restriction, you know, that pop, that crack we all like to hear. That's a restricted joint that is now being corrected and is no longer restricted. But it's very intense, it's very extensive, it is not quick. Initial appointments are about an hour long. I think that's unheard of a lot of times in the chiropractic world. But I want to figure out the problem, and then I want to get you in here and out of here as fast as possible. We are not somebody who wants to keep you coming in week after week after week after week. We want to get you out of there. Life is short.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing your incredible space with us. I can't wait to try everything.
Oh, thank you. I hope you do. Yes, thanks for coming in.
You can find more over on their website at infinitywellnesswesternnewyork.com.